Hi, today I am going to be sharing with you all an item that I bought prior to my no-buy year. So I bought this at the end of December. And so if you're interested in seeing what I bought, just keep watching. Okay, well, the main reason that I purchased this item, and like I said, I purchased this item at the end of December. And I bought it because, as you may or may not know, I bought the little mini monogram pochette. And I have really loved this little purse. Like, I use it every day. And I'll share the initial unboxing with you all when I receive the item and everything. So let's go ahead and look at that footage really quick. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will consider subscribing. My channel consists of fashion and beauty, artistic and non-artistic Bible studies, clothing hauls, as well as beauty tips and tutorials, and just some plain old-fashioned fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. First, I'm going to show you guys what I have currently in my little mini pochette and the reason why I ordered this item. So I've been using this Coach purse, and as you can see, it's almost as big as my mini pochette, but I've been using it for my credit cards. Then I have my lippy in here, a crayon, pencil. It's amazing what you can fit in this little thing. My keys to my Infinity, my keys to the Jeep, and that's it. So I bought this to take the place of that wallet. So that's how that comes. This is how it is in the box. I think it accidentally opened. I don't think it was open before. So this is just my paperwork, and this is the little box that it comes in. No free samples of anything this time. So this is the little patch that it comes in. And I was hesitant to get this because I was afraid that it wasn't gonna stay closed, because it looks a lot like the Folio, the iPhone Folio. But I saw a lot of reviews and a lot of people said it does stay closed. So anyway, it's the pocket organizer, and I ordered it to carry my credit cards in, and I wanted it to take the place of this. But I was afraid that it was going to be too big, but actually it's going to be the almost exact same size as that, because I wanted to carry it in here or just switch it to wherever I wanted it. And I think it's amazing the things that fit in this little mini pochette. Like, I've carried this. I think I'm getting too used to just carrying this because both my keys fit in there, and that was part of the reason that I wanted to get a key fob to just carry all my keys. So a key fob, or the little there was something else that I was looking for, I can't remember, and then I just decided to get the mini pochette, and I'm so happy I did. Look at that, I can still fit more stuff in there. So yeah, how exciting. Okay, so putting the cards in was a little bit hard, and right now it is currently staying open, but I don't know if it's just because it's new and it needs to get used to like being in my purse. It'll eventually just stay closed. So, and I do want to add more stuff to it. because I have a few more credit cards, but these are the main cards that I use, so I definitely always carry these, and then my driver's license. Now, sometimes people put their license over here in this pouch or in this side, but seems like it's kind of hard. So, yeah, I don't really like it there. Just seems like it's too... I think I like it over here where I can just pull it out. But it feels amazing. It's nice. So I guess you could also have your license back here like that. So yeah, that's my only concern with this item, and I hope that that will eventually stay closed. I'm going to try to put my cards on the inside and see what happens, which I really don't want to, because that's the reason that I wanted to have them there, was to access them. So yeah, and I'm hoping that the glazing here won't come off or anything. So I don't know, I'm just going to have to play with it. Okay, so as you saw, I showed you everything that I had in this little purse, and I didn't really like that black Coach coin purse that I had in here. I really wanted something more themed to what I was going to carry around on a regular basis. So I've had this pocket organizer for probably, it's going right about a month that I bought it. Like I said, I bought it at the end of December. And so I've had it in my purse. And so as you can see, it fits pretty much the way the Coach wallet fit in there. And I've been using it. And I like it. It has stayed closed. That was one of my concerns, is that I was worried that it would kind of prop open. And this has stayed pretty intact. I decided to leave my license in the back. This does hold up to 8 interior pockets. And I put a check right here just to have. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have one exterior pocket, which is right here. And I have used this for my license because when I put it into my mini pochette, sometimes when they ask me for my license, it's just easy for me to reach in there and pull out my license instead of taking it out, opening it up. I didn't want it to be that easy to get my credit cards out. But I did leave my credit cards here. I have the 3 here, and like I said, the check here. And these are the main credit cards that I use, so I really don't carry all of my credit cards, which is why when I use the bigger purse, I use the card holder that I have for that purse, and then I can just stick this one in there. I like it because it fits in the pockets. I have really liked using my VUITTON. Let me grab it really quick. So I have really enjoyed carrying this purse. It's very lightweight. And as I stated, I have my other credit cards in here. And I mainly use, you know, this item here for my credit cards or my other credit cards. And so I like this because this I can just slip in any purse and it's gonna fit fine. I know I haven't shown you all what I have been carrying around in this purse, but I have really liked this pocket holder. I know that some of them are geared toward men as far as like a wallet for them, but it's not necessarily just for a man. I have really enjoyed it. Like I said, I like that it fits in my mini pochette. And this retailed for $350. And it's calf leather lining. And it holds credit cards, receipts, checks, whatever you need it to hold. And sometimes what I'll do is I will just leave it actually in here. And I like it because my keys are in there. Everything I need actually is in here. And I like that I can just grab one of my bigger purses and just actually stick my entire mini pochette in here. And that's kind of what I've been doing, is just placing it in here, and makes it easy when I want to switch out purses. You know, it just fits right in there. And then my pocket organizer is in there, and I have everything I need, and I can just, you know, go. And that little mini pochette fits in a lot of my purses. And then for work, I just pull it out and just use it for work. So I'm really happy with that pocket organizer. I feel like it suits everything that I need, and I'm glad that I bought it before I decided to do a no-buy year. And that was probably the last piece that I needed to just complete my collection. The pocket organizer and the little mini pochette and this Victoire just completed my collection last year. And I just really didn't feel like, I mean, I felt like I could do a no-buy year this year because of these purchases that I made at the end of, close to the end of the year. And so anyway, that's my unboxing, and that's the pocket organizer, and I highly recommend it. I really like it. It's very versatile. I can fit it everywhere. And also the mini pochette, I mean, you don't have to get it monogrammed, but if you can get your hands on this little purse, is so effective, and I just have really liked it. It has really come in handy. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds more stuff than I thought possible, to be honest. And so I try not to touch the little pochette there, because I don't want it to start changing colors so soon until I'm able to take it through that process on my own. And I'll also use this as a crossbody. I'll just put my chain from my Pochette Felice, and I'm able to wear it as a crossbody purse. So yeah, that is these are my newest additions, and I do want to do a purse collection, but I noticed that a lot of people were doing that right now, and so I probably will do a video on what I've added recently, just going into more detail and kind of interchanging them and letting you see how I carry the various pieces and how I make them all work together. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.